Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to try some viral food hacks and test if they really work or they fail. Watch till the end and give a thumbs up if you like this video and share it with your friends and family. Also click on the bell icon to get post notifications for the part 2 video. Starting with some simple hacks. So for the first hack, she used a fork to slice the tomatoes evenly. Let's try now. I'm taking two forks and starting to slice them as she did. So guys, as you can see, this hack is a success. Let's go to another hack number 2. In this hack, she is making a banana pancake with just 2 ingredients and hoping that it is not too eggy. I am taking a banana and an egg and trying to make a smooth paste with a fork. I just forgot I have to mash the banana before I add eggs, but that's okay, hoping the taste turns good. If you still haven't subscribed, please do because there is a part 2 testing hacks coming. So now I'm adding some Nutella topping. Let's test now. It's really yummy. Doesn't taste too eggy, which I was worrying about. And it's still healthy too because it doesn't contain flour in it. Let's test the third hack. She is telling we can easily take off the peel if we do this. Now it's my turn. Surprisingly, it didn't work for me. Maybe the potato is hard because I boiled it again for 15 minutes, but still it was the same. If this hack worked for you, let me know in the comment section below. Let's jump to the next hack. I really loved the abstract effect of this even though it looked simple. So let's try. This is really a cute hack for making your fruit plate pretty. Next is the popcorn hack. foil was hot, so I had to use a fork. It was really cool to see the seeds popping out of the foil. This is my favorite hack as of now. And you don't need to transfer it to any other container too. You can eat just like that. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for part 2.